What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Weeboy. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying in today's video is about stocks to sell as well as stocks to buy. Listen, guys, if I helped you in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, it is almost Monday and you know what that means, okay? It gives us a chance to get back in the market, get back in our bag and do what we do. Listen guys, today I just want to give you an overview on stocks to buy and stocks to sell. This is a mindset, okay, that I'm trying to set the stage for in terms of helping you on your investment journey, okay? So today I'm going to do a little deeper dive into what I want you to be considering as you think about stocks to buy as well as stocks to sell. Let's get to it. Okay guys, listen, when it comes to stocks to buy, okay, one rule of thumb, if you're rocking with me, that I use that has helped me be successful, okay, you always want to add more to your positions when you are down 5% or more in a particular play. This means that the play is a longer term hold for you and something that you see yourself in though, okay? This is not just something you do at random, okay? Also, other instances for stocks to buy is when you are, again, had something on your watch list and it has came down to an attractive level for you to get into that, okay? Again, you always need to be strategizing. The stock market is a game of chess. Those who strategize the best will be your winners, okay? And so listen guys, when it comes to the stock market, always know what your next move is going to be. Start anticipating things you want to do, whether that's a stock dipping to a price you like, or if the stock hits your price target, will you sell out of the position completely? Will you ride it up higher? Will you sell a portion of your shares and go a different way with the whole direction of your moves? Those are the type of strategic things you want to be thinking about. When it comes to stocks to sell, okay, selling is a whole different ball game that very few people talk about in the YouTube world, at least, okay? When it comes to stocks to sell, listen guys, you need to, again, have a few things in mind. Number one being, when you are up 75% to 100+%, you need to make a decision. You have a decision to make whether or not you want to take profits, okay? And you determine that based on if something is a long-term hold or a short-term hold for you. If something has reached its goal, if you bought something at $10 and your goal was for it to reach $20, okay, you are free to sell, okay? If you bought something at $10 and it reaches 20, but you see yourself in this play 1 to 3 years, then you're doing nothing but putting your feet up, and then you're gonna go along for the ride as it go from 20 back to 15, back to 20, then to 25, so on and so forth. Guys, these are the things you want to be thinking about from a strategy standpoint in terms of developing your investor's muscle, in terms of how you dominate the stock market, okay? So stocks to buy, okay? When you're down 5% or more in your plays, you add to your position, okay? Or if something falls to an attractive level that has been on your watch list, okay? So again, I told you now we're in CrowdStrike. That's going to be one of our next major plays. But CrowdStrike been doing this thing, but it used to be 250. I waited for it to come to 188 to tell you about it. Then I told you to grab it at 180 or 170. Now it is at both of those attractive levels. Listen guys, that's just a quick lesson on just some mindsets that I want you to have in terms of having a championship mindset around investing. Up next, guys, I want to talk to you very briefly about Genius and IDX. Ticker symbol GNUS is sitting at $2.54. Guys, this week, I need you to be on your A game, okay? You may have some opportunities, whether it's upward or downward, okay? Downward, we are to pounce, okay? This play, depending on how it shakes out, may fall to an attractive level for you to add to your position, okay? That is how you handle any weakness in this play. However, I also want you to be on the lookout in case this play begins to take off as well and heads to like $2.65, $2.75, okay? So this is a major week for this particular play, and I want you guys to make sure that you are keeping your eye on how it performs, whether it goes up or down. If it goes down, you know our game plan. If it goes up, then you know what to do as well. You put your feet up. Listen guys, that's genius that I want you guys to, again, they have some catalysts on the horizon that could move the stock one way or the other. I just want you to be prepared. And last but certainly not least is IDX, ticker symbol IDEX, sitting at $2.84. Listen guys, for those that you are wondering and want to know, listen, this is a $5 to $7 play short term, okay? But make sure you're in it, but make sure that on any weakness, you are getting your position built out. If you have it built out already, that's fine, put your feet up. If you are new to the channel, if you're a beginning investor and you don't have the plays that we're in yet, Genius is one, IDX is another. Again, you want to buy these on the dip. So if you see weakness, you want to jump in this. Matter of fact, I'm sitting at 1,830 shares with an average cost of $282. This has came all the way back down to where I bought it at. So what does that mean for you if you're new? 282, 284, this range right here or below. If you go to 280, you're doing better than a teacher. If it go lower than that, that's even better. Always pounce when you see that happen, okay? Up next, guys, is our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Cal Me. Good evening, coach. Question, comment, how do we stay away from pattern day trading penalties but still hit option home runs frequently, like weekly preferably? We do want to do more options. We still continue to buy the dip. P.S. Thank you on behalf of the family, and I thank you. Hope you're having a safe and blessed weekend with yours. Cal Me, phenomenal question. Listen, guys, selfishly, I want you guys to get to a level where your accounts are all at $25,000. Why? Well, reason being is this. Once you guys hit a $25,000 threshold amount, you now are free to do unlimited option trades with me, okay? And so that is why I preach daily. And if anybody says anything about this, you put them on mute for the rest of the year. I preach daily. Add money to your account every week, bi-weekly, monthly. You should be adding some money. I add a minimum of $500 every 2 weeks to my account like clockwork. If you're not doing that, you're not investing the right way. Lump sum is cool. That is not what this is about. This is about a lump sum and you doing your part to be adding money on a consistent basis. I add a minimum of $500 every 2 weeks. You should be adding a minimum of $500 every 2 weeks or whatever you can afford, okay? So your number may be higher than mine, your number may be lower. That is neither here nor there. You need to get in the practice of having a 70% savings rate for yourself, but let it go to your investments. That's called paying yourself first, and that's what you should be doing, and that's what everybody rock with me should be doing, okay? So listen, we add money on a consistent basis. Half of that is a strategy to help you guys quickly get to the $25,000 threshold. However, rocking with me, nobody does it like we do. I'm going to help you hit at least 25 to 50 home runs within a year. That is going to also grow your money on top of what you are assisting it with, okay? Plus the green days in the market, plus the option plays. And guys, this is going to be money that when it's going to get to a level where you're going to start really strongly considering leaving your job. That's how we do this, okay? This is how I help you get off the corporate plantation, but you have to help. You can't be buying Jordans. You can't be buying bags. You have to be using that money to put in the stock market. It's called paying yourself first. Make sure you're doing that, okay? Listen, guys, I hope that was helpful. If you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.